Now that's guerrilla marketing!
Why are thousands of people looking at a shoe? Welcome to Guerrilla Marketing.
How do small businesses beat companies spending crores on advertising?
Guerrilla marketing creates maximum impact using minimum budget.
The term was introduced by J. Conrad Levinson in 1984. It's not about spending more, it's about thinking differently. People ignore advertisements, but they remember experiences. What surprises people? What makes people smile? What gets shared? Let's look at the classic Coca-Cola happiness machine. Hidden cameras captured their genuine delight. It was truly a magical experience. One creative idea generated millions of impressions. IKEA transformed ordinary spaces into unforgettable advertisements.
Oh my gosh, look!
Hey, hey! No way, is that really happening?
People advertise your brand for free. A road became an advertisement. Guerrilla marketing can also create social awareness. It's about making a powerful statement.
One ad is completely ignored. The other is highly shareable. Traditional ads require a high budget. Guerrilla ads thrive on high creativity. They can achieve global reach with incredible virality. This means a massive return on investment.
Low cost, viral, memorable, emotional, high engagement. These are the advantages. Maximize your brand impact. We worked on this for 3 days. You have to see this.
This pet flea medication advertisement is just brilliant. It makes people look like the pests they want to eradicate. The impact is highly effective only from certain angles.
You want a
But
balloon?
it is just a warning of what is to come.
Something massive has passed through here, leaving these colossal footprints on Santa Monica Beach. This is no ordinary creature.
It looks like something took a massive bite out of this beach. Shark Week is returning to your screens. Prepare yourself for the ultimate 10th anniversary.
Anywhere is a starting line. Just do it. Seats are for waiting. Life doesn't wait. Who else but Jeep can get away with this message?
Is your wrist missing something? IWC reminds you. Experience the big pilot's watch. True surprise instantly grabs our attention. It quickly transforms into a deep emotion. This connection creates a lasting memory. We share what we remember with everyone, and that— Consider the risks. Too controversial, leading to legal issues. Safety concerns can cause real brand damage. Always be creative, but also ethical and lawful.
If you learned something new today, like this video for more powerful marketing psychology explained in minutes.